In an effort to abstractly look at the collective state of mind we are experiencing in today's confusing times, this installation creates a sense of place using space, object, and structure, while allowing the viewer to traverse through the environment. Layered in that experience are changes in perspective through scale, imagery, and an allusion to history using degraded classical figure forms. The title Shangri-La references the fictional land of peace and perpetual youth, describing what is longed for but not attainable. Our lives today are in stark contrast to that imagined place. One of my goals as an artist is to create work that causes questions for me as well as the viewer. Specific details of this installation offer focal points to challenge the perspective of the viewer in terms of scale, relationships, and reality. In those attempts to make sense of now, we cling to the past, we struggle to navigate through life, we search for perspective and balance, and we scrutinize and judge what we see.